Hey there, my name is Travis Shields, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers for your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I've found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their businesses for free has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Travis, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition, and let's not waste either of our times. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So I didn't see that you had a site, so I chose these guys as just an example here. They're a national company, so it's a little bit of an extreme example, but the same guidelines follow for local. So content, like I said, is everything you see on the page here, all the words, all the pictures. You guys need at least 1,000 words to be optimized with Google. So these guys, I can tell just by looking, because I've been doing this for a while, that they probably have about 700 words, so that's not bad. But to be optimized in Google's eyes, you want at least 1,000 on there. Because Google's getting really big about having content on your website. Content is important because it tells Google exactly what you do and where you do it. Content also gives you the opportunity to fit in buyer intent keywords such as concrete leveling and like concrete repair. Because having these keywords on your website helps Google find your website when a potential customer searches for your service. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. We'll go over here. So this here is the Google Map Pack. And on these results we can see the business name, the address, and the phone number, also known as NAPs. So how do we rank here in the maps? You must list your business in directories. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. Having more citations will help you rank above your competitors in the Google Map Pack. So I use a paid tool called WhiteSpark to search a business, and it lays out all the citations they have, so you can go in and get the same and more. The map pack is location based, obviously, so you're not going to show up when someone from, let's say, like Midland searches for your service, unless somehow you can get an address for that location, which a lot of companies do, such as like this one. Because it's national, they service many different areas and states, so they get addresses for different locations so they can set up multiple Google business profiles to be in the map pack. But nonetheless, it's important to be shown on this map where your Google business profile is located. The third thing is backlinks. Now the third thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice, or backlinks. It's the same thing. So like we were in here, I typed in concrete services Cadillac, Michigan, and it showed, this is the organic rankings here under the map pack. It shows all the top sites, and all these sites have good backlinks, which is why they're ranking to the top in Google. Now, this is where you want to be. Home Advisor does show up on a lot of obviously home-based services. Link juice, simply put, works like this. So these are their this is the same company that we were looking at. They have 10.4 thousand backlinks and 1,000 referring domains, so that's 1,000 different websites pointing back to their website. Such as like site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like is a backlink, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, like a popularity contest. So the more you have, the better. It shows Google that you have authority. But there is more to it than just that. Backlinks you obtain work a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have another concrete site linking to you, that'd be much more effective than Pizza Hut linking back to you, because, well, you don't sling pizzas for a living, right? So this here is Ahrefs. It's another paid tool. It can get a little pricey depending on what package you pick, but what it does is it compiles all the data within Google and within each website. So it allows you to see how many backlinks and keywords each website has. So they have 7.9 thousand organic keywords. So we can go in here and take a look at them. So the keyword is their business name here. It has about 1,600 search volume per month, and they get 1,000 traffic off of that. So they obviously have quite a big brand, so there's a lot of people searching for them specifically. The keywords that we want to look for and rank for are service location based. So let's come down here and look and see what they got for that. So I can give you a quick example. See, driveway repair near me doesn't work for local businesses because someone in California could type that in, and if you're ranking on top for that keyword, that's going to do nothing for you because you're not going to service them in California. So what you're looking for is something like this here. So obviously they service Des Moines, I believe I'm saying that right. So concrete leveling, Des Moines, Iowa. So people that are searching that keyword are obviously within Des Moines, Iowa. So that this 55 traffic a month that they're getting from this keyword is much more valuable than this national keyword here, because the people searching this keyword are actively looking for your service. So that's a little bit about Ahrefs here. And here, let me show you this about the backlinks also. We can go into any site's backlinks, if it loads here, and it shows exactly where they're getting their backlink from. And if it's doing good for them, it's going to do good for you too. So I can go right in here, go exactly where they're getting this backlink from, and we can get that same backlink for you. So this one here is a directory. Directories do count as a backlink, but we just go in, Yahoo, Research Giant, get all those same backlinks and more, especially the quality ones. You don't want garbage backlinks. And then that'll get your site ranking to the top above your competitors. So once again, what we went over is one, content. The more content you have on your page allows for more keywords for Google to put you in the search results. Second thing is citations. Generally, I like to put around 100 to 300 for the clients that I have to beat out my competition by a landslide. And 3 is backlinks that we just went over. You need more relevant sites pointing to your site, and that shows Google you are the authority. So what do you do now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and it's totally cool. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 989-709-6146 or text. Texting works great too. Once again, my name is Travis and my number is 989-709-6146. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great weekend.